Actually, we are promoting PET-based structures because they are really challenging and really recyclable, and we are adding PCR content, very high amount. Actually, EFSA allowed us in 2018 to add the 100% of post-consume flakes from bottles and trays. So now we are focusing in these polyester really challenging structures because lead films also can include really high amount of post-consume, and we offer peelable, sealable, high barrier lead films based on PET, and the total amount of the package is around between 90 and 90%, and we are focusing on getting fully content of post-consume. This is for polyester, and as a new thing, we are promoting also monomaterial PE and PP because they are really also challenging for avoiding to pay waste management. Companies won't have to pay this as they will sell to third companies and will profit and will get money from plastic waste in order to be reused and recycled in other companies for non-food contact, as they don't have the contamination technology for adding to food contact structures. So we are mainly focusing monomaterials now for giving another use in another companies. Paper laminates are perceived as really natural and sustainable packaging. And this is also new for us because now we are offering 70% of the weight, total amount of the packaging, of content of paper for recycling in the stream of paper, and the rest is a very thin layer of plastic which gives humidity protection, protects from grease, and gives a high barrier to oxygen. So plastic is needed, and yes, I think plastic industry has failed to communicate and has not joined to say that plastic is really recyclable and has circular behavior. And now we are promoting really this circular behavior because paper can be recycled, but also plastic. Plastic gives protection, gives food reduction at a very low price, gives design, gives marketing, and circularity too. And now we really need to communicate this and need to work on this because plastic litter is really a problem, but this comes from London. 80% comes from London. And the solution is recyclers and industry can recycle and manage all the waste amount we produce as post-consume and post-industrial. We can create 9 times more of jobs than landfills and incinerators, and we are really committed to this because plastic waste is value. The important issue here is that governments are expected to put taxes to plastic packaging if they don't have around 30% of post-consume, and that's really easy for polyester, as I told you, because we have exists the technology for the contamination of polyester, but none for polyethylene and polypropylene, which is really risky because if they are asking for money, it doesn't contain post-consume, and we cannot decontaminate post-consume waste in polyethylene and polypropylene, they will pay taxes. So for polyester, we have solutions around 100% we are doing. But for polyethylene, until the technology of the contamination comes, we are focusing on working, compatibilizing different multi-layer structures with different virgin polymers, which are really high quality and they value a lot. We are compatibilizing inside the structures we are processing again. And this is really clean, post-industrial is really clean waste and valuable to compatibilize and give recycled solutions, but they are not post-consumed, so they are expected to pay taxes. but we keep on working and keep on waiting for new technology. I'm sure it will arrive.